did quite a popular video not long ago about changing the size of your blog's header or your blog's title. And someone commented saying, well, I actually want to change it on mobile to be different. So I thought, okay, let's help this fella out. I gave him the code. And then I thought, actually, let's make a video on it because loads of people are going to want to have this. So this is a really quick video on how to change the font size of your blog title on mobile. So if we navigate to our blog, we can see that the blog titles are absolutely massive. But we want to change it specifically on mobile because this is ridiculous. And Squarespace always does this. It's so annoying. So what we want to do is open up Google Developer Tools using Shift, Command and C. And then we hover over this to find what it's called. So it looks like blog item wrapper, blog item title H1. I'm not going to read it all because that'll just bore you. So we get that. And then we're going to go into website and website tools and then custom CSS. Paste that in. And then we're going to open our squiggly brackets and we're going to say font size 20px. Lovely jubbly. But if we go into desktop, it's way too small. So what we need to do is wrap this in media query tags. And what this looks like is that. So media screen and max width of 640 pixels. If I just close them brackets, there we go. So it's nice and big on desktop and smaller on mobile. Nice and simple. That is a very efficient fix to one of Squarespace's biggest bugs. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.